Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne.
Christmas is coming, yeah. Start sending your letters off to Santa. Christmas is coming, yeah. Better be nice if you want your present. Tell all your brothers, sisters, mama and papa too. Christmas is coming, yeah. Staying up late looking out the window, yeah. Christmas is coming, yeah. Spotting some sleigh rides and some jingle bells. Tell all your brothers, sisters, mama and papa too. Christmas is coming, yeah. Roasting some chestnuts on the fire, yeah. Christmas is coming, yeah.
is that I see?
A dancing scout? Scout! What are you doing? We're trying to rip this up, Scout!
He's excited. He knows that we're gonna go outside for a little bit. So,
Oh my gosh, these dogs, guys. Look what we have! A door! And a full-length mirror. It's like a double whammy. I love it. I love this door.
So we put that up last night, guys. It got really late and dark, so we figured we'd wrap it up today when there was a little bit of light. So what do you think, guys? How much was the railing? Like 75 bucks?
80 bucks, I think.
80 bucks for the barn door railing and 50 bucks for the door. On it had a little gouger out of the one of the sides. Yeah, it had like a little knickerbocker on the edge, and it was clearance for 50 bucks at the green store. So for 130 bucks, you got a pretty sweet door, huh?
Yeah.
With dual mirrors on both sides.
Uh-huh.
So pretty cool.
I'm pretty happy.
Guys, also, we had the shelf we put on over here. I think Trudy sent us these brackets, and I put this shelf up last year. We just finally got this shelf up. We use the same brackets and then the same type of wood, my poplar board that we use for the kitchen. So we had that third shelf we were going to put over here, and I cut it up and made some shelves for over here. I have to live edge the front, you know, color it, but
Name it like you did.
yeah, but look, pretty fancy,
Yay!
huh? So, all right, guys, thanks for hanging out with us. We appreciate ya. And like, subscribe, and comment. It helps the channel a ton.
Yep, always give us a thumbs up when you watch it, guys. Always. Just click it real quick. Helps
Not just when we give stuff away. Do it every time, because it helps.
Let us know what you think.
Thanks, guys, for hanging out with us during this little video. We appreciate ya, and we'll see you in the next one. Best wishes.
Hey, guys. Just wanted to do a quick thank you to everybody. We got some more Christmas cards here. I love it, guys. It makes me so happy. So thank you so much for sending this. It brings me such joy. Christmas cards do. Very simple thing. It makes me so happy. Also, Paul sent us some doggy treats for the doggies. Can't go wrong with that, right? Doggies are always happy. We also got a shower head for our shower. It's in the brushed bronze, just like everything else in the house. So exciting and appreciated, so thank you, Paul. And we got one more thing for the puppies here. They got some new Nylabones. They like to chew these until they make them into shivs, and then they're kind of dangerous to step upon. So they needed some new ones. Thank you, Paul. These puppies are very happy. Come here, T. Which one do you want? Thank you, Paul. We appreciate it. Thank you, everybody, for the cards as well. We appreciate them. I'm going to go stick them up on our maple posts. We're truly blessed, and Merry Christmas. What do you guys say to Paul, huh? What do you say? What do you say to Paul? He take good care of you? Paul take good care of you, Scout? Thank you, Paul. Thank you again, everybody, for Christmas cards. Merry Christmas. I love it. Thank you guys so much.